Thank you very much for joining me here today. My name is Rose and this is Easy to Cook at Home. Today I'm going to be making some honeycomb, a super sweet treat, only 3 ingredients, so let's get started. Okay, so to make this honeycomb, you just want to put in 200 grams of caster sugar into a nice heavy bottomed pot. Now the reason we call it a honeycomb is because it resembles the honeybee's comb when they make honey. You can also make this with honey, but we use golden syrup in the UK. Now to the sugar you want to add 5 tablespoons of golden syrup or honey. Put a little bit of oil in the tablespoon here, just makes it come out a lot easier. It's still going to stick, but it'll stick a little bit less. You'll get more of a proper measurement. It's only sticking around the sides. There's 2, 3, 4 and 5. See, it's only stuck there. You just want to blend that through, and you want to get it nice and bubbling hot so you get like a caramel. Okay, so you just want to cook it until the sugar is dissolved and it starts to bubble. Okay, so it's nicely bubbling away there. You just want to continue that for around about 3 to 4 minutes, just so it changes a bit in colour. It's a little bit darker, and until the sugar is really dissolved. Okay, that's the sort of colour you want. Nice golden colour. They also call this Hokey Pokey or Cinder Toffee, one of my faves. Okay, so this is where you've got to work quickly. I've got bicarbonate of soda. I'm going to make sure it's in date, and then just add that in, 2 tablespoons, and mix it through quickly, and it fluffs up. Yummy, 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 like that. Looking good. And then you want to take it off the heat and put it directly into your pan. And do it fairly quickly so it doesn't burn. Oh, it's starting to go to the sides. And it'll set really quickly. I think I needed a bigger pan. Okay, so it's got that lovely honeycomb texture. Just let it cool there for around about, say, about 10-15 minutes, and then we'll be able to break it up. Okay, so you can see the lovely honeycomb bubbles. Now, I've already given it a bit of a bang, but if you bang it, then it'll cut up for you. So just kind of like tap it, and it'll break up. Just nice. Let's get my spatula and go round. It off, and you just break it up. Nice honeycomb, delicious. And then you can put this in a plastic bag, and it'll last until you've eaten it. Well, thank you very much for watching, guys. Please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, share, like, all that loving stuff. Thank you very much. Have a great day, and bye-bye for now, and hope to see you soon. Bye.